beautiful. Okay, so I picked these up on AliExpress. It's actually metal frames that kind of go around everything. So I already have it on the front. I have it on the back. And then I have the two on the sides. So this one doesn't fit very well, but you know what? For the price of it, I think it's pretty cool. Now they don't do one for the windshield just because it wraps around. So you could add like a silver marker if you chose to try to chrome it out, this or that. Actually, I think that was black, but you got the idea. So I just wanted to go quickly and show you how to put these on. Of course, I overthought it, and at that point, I'm like, so I got the drill out, got the old DeWalt or the ribbon, and yeah, I didn't need that. Basically, all you do, this is probably simple to everybody else, but to me, this was pretty difficult. Put her up. Grab 2 pieces of black tape or any type of tape that you have. This is actually going to line and hold it up. Kind of falls into place. And let's see if I do that, you might see a little better. So basically, I mean, this isn't rocket science by any means. If it was, I certainly wouldn't be doing it. But you need a small screwdriver. This one is a, they'll catch that or not, probably not ever. So it's a pH 0 or a 3.0. I'm not sure if they're talking about that one or that one. But anyway, it's really small. You want something that's going to be a tight fit because you don't want to round these guys off. Just put in one of the holes. Push in. There is some resistance. The Lexan is quite tough on the Broncos. And Jesus, like I said about make sure it's a good quality screwdriver, because if you strip those, well, they'll pull out. I mean, it's not the end of the world by any means. First world problems, right? So another thing I do is I go over, I kind of kitty corner it. So you tighten up one, and you tighten up the other. There we go. If you push hard enough, you can kind of hear it or feel it actually start to go through the Lexan. And it just makes it for a nicer fit. These screws are small. Come on, baby. Get on in. There we are. Look at that. It's officially been screwed. So now we only have 3 more to go. I think you have the idea here. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. By the way, these fit really nice. They add a lot of extra scale looks to the Bronco itself. I've always loved these trucks. Always wanted one, never had one. Friends of mine had them, but I never did. So this is the one I get to play with. Anyway, thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye now. See you in the next video. Thumbs up.